Imagine waking up and instead of fresh air, your first breath is water. You swim to your neighbor's house, grab breakfast from an underwater farm, and commute to work in a submarine. Sounds like science fiction? Well, what if I told you living underwater might not be as impossible as you think? Stay with me, because what you're about to hear will change the way you imagine the future of humanity. Scientists have been studying the oceans for decades, and with climate change and overpopulation on land, some believe the future of humanity could actually be underwater. But to make that possible, we'd have to rewrite the rules of biology, engineering, and even society itself. Humans breathe air through lungs. To live underwater, we'd need artificial gills technology that extracts oxygen from water the way fish do. In fact, Japanese scientists have already tested a device that can pull enough oxygen from water to keep a small animal alive. Another option? Genetic engineering. By editing our DNA with CRISPR, we could theoretically add traits from sea creatures like the axolotl, which can absorb oxygen through skin. Living underwater means building cities that can handle enormous water pressure. Designs like floating domes or transparent titanium glass structures could protect us. The city might be powered by tidal energy, glowing with bioluminescent lights just like deep-sea creatures. And because sound travels faster in water, we'd need a new way of talking, maybe sonar-based communication, like dolphins. Living underwater could solve land problems. Unlimited space, 70% of Earth's surface is ocean. Food production underwater farms could grow seaweed, fish, and even lab-grown meat. Clean energy ocean currents can power entire cities. And here's something crazy. The ocean absorbs carbon dioxide, so living underwater could help fight climate change. But it's not all paradise. Predators like sharks could be a real threat. Pressure sickness could kill you if you rise too fast. Underwater earthquakes could wipe out cities in seconds. And here's a chilling fact: the deep ocean is still 80% unexplored. We might be sharing our neighborhoods with creatures we've never seen before. NASA and other agencies are already testing life support systems in underwater labs. Because surviving in the deep ocean is a lot like surviving in space. If we master underwater living, colonizing Mars might actually be easier. Experts believe small underwater settlements could exist within 5,100 years, but full human adaptation? That could take thousands of years of evolution, or a few decades of radical biotech. But here's the unbelievable part. Some scientists believe humans might already have the genetic blueprint for underwater living left over from our ancient ancestors who were semi-aquatic, which means the ocean might not be our future. It might be our forgotten home. The question is, if we return to the water, will we still be human? Or will we become something entirely new? Think about that. Next time you look at the ocean,